not trying to fuck tomorrow, baby. I want you. Nah, nah.
Hey forever dolls, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing the eyebrow tutorial. This is currently how I'm doing my eyebrows. This is what works for me, so let's jump into it. I'm going into the NYX eyebrow gel, and the color that I'm using is the color black. I'm going to be using a duo eyebrow brush that I got from the beauty supply store 4 years ago. The brush is by Kiss. You guys can still find that brush. What I did to the brush was just simply flatten it to my liking. And now I am starting from the back of my eyebrow and I am working my way towards the front, as well as slanting my brush so that I can create hairline strokes in the front. Now I am going back through my brow and I am just filling it in from the back to the front. So now I'm going over to the next eyebrow and I'm going to start from the back and then I'm going to draw the line to the front. This just helps me better control the product and not draw my brows on too thick or too dark. So now I'm going to go to the top. I'm going to follow my arch right above the hair and I'm just going to pull everything down. I am switching my brush to the hairline strokes. You can see I kind of went too dark here, but you'll see me go back in and start to like brush them out and whatnot. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the concealer, you guys. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, Warm Honey, and I'm going to be putting it on the back of my hand so that it makes it easier for me to just grab and use. I'm taking this flat-ended brush, you guys. I'm just flattening it like I did my eyebrows brush, and I'm going to be dipping it into the concealer using this product to help achieve a perfect brow. I'm putting this concealer on both the back and the front of the brush so that I have to go back and dip less often. So I am starting from the tail and I'm working my way to the front. The goal is to get as closest to that eyebrow as possible without putting any product into the brow. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is take this big eyeshadow blending brush, well, buffing brush, and I'm going to buff out the concealer using that brush in the Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray. I'm not rubbing the product in, I'm simply tapping it into my skin so that it gives me a flat foundation. So when I do choose to apply eyeshadow or add more concealer on top of it, it doesn't show through. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go back in with that same color and I'm going to use that to clean up the top of my brows as well. The less product you use, the more better when it comes to the top. And for a minute, you guys, I could not just get close to that brow. Okay, so I'm just going to take that line on across. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to the other eyebrow. I'm going to do the same exact thing. And now I'm just going back in with that Ebony, the NYX pomade gel, and I'm just going back in and fixing minor areas that I feel like I have missed or that I did not get. And the reason why I'm adding more concealer on my brows is to just make it more clean and not look like I went over with my brush 1,000 times like I just did. Tennessee, get out. Hurry up. sorry, y'all. Hennessy, oh my god, every time I'm recording a video, he has to be in here. Okay, so I'm spraying my face with that Wet n Wild setting spray so that I can use that to take my blending brush and just blend out that concealer. Again, I am just patting it into my skin. I'm not swiping it. I am not blending it. The reason being is that it's going to give us a flatter foundation than as we were to swipe, drag, or move that product, you guys. So now I'm just taking a bigger, fluffier brush and just blending that concealer down into my face as best as I can, so that when I do go back and add my my foundation, it goes on so smooth and so flat. You guys, this pretty much concludes my eyebrow tutorial. If you guys like my eyebrow tutorial and you feel like I should do a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial and slow down the clips, be sure to comment that in the comment section box below. I love you all so much. I will see you guys in my next channel. Bye.